Hello guys, my name is Wang and now I talk about the way the ending sound in English. First, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. With the sound vibrating next after a vowel or vowel consonant. Example: d, d, g, 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 j, 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 j. Okay, when you add s or es, you pronounce z. Example: there are three trees. Animals. Bees. Dogs. Okay. When you add ed, you pronounce d. Okay. Snowed. Blade. They played football. Blind. Glowed. Okay. After an unvoiced consonant, when you add s or es, you pronounce Example: look at cheeks. Jeeps. Cats. Snakes. When you add ed, you pronounce t. Okay. Watched. And danced. Stopped. Okay. And the special case after sound, when you add ed, you pronounce it. After the sound t, d. For example, wanted, needed, panted, salted. And when you add es or as, you pronounce is. After the sound z, sh, j, ch, j. Example: dish. Surprise. Box. Houses. This is my pictures at pens. And thanks for your listening. Goodbye. See you again. Ta-da.